First topic is the moon, the natural satellite. So, the moon is a spherical heavenly body on the solar system. It is made of rocks and has no atmosphere on it. It is the only natural satellite of the Earth on the solar system. The moon is about 384,000 km away from the Earth and is about 1/4 of the size of the Earth. It revolves around the Earth on a fixed orbit. Moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. Next topic is surface of the moon. The moon has uneven and rough surface which is created with huge mountains, great plains and big round pits known as craters. These are the places where long years ago meteors hit the surface of the moon and put dents into it. A layer of grey dust covers the surface of the moon. Scientists report that the moon is about 450 crore years old, same as the age of our Earth and rest of the solar system. This is the surface of the moon. Next topic is no life is possible on the moon. The moon has no life on it since it has no air and water. It does not have an atmosphere surrounding like the Earth, so it has no protection from sun's strong rays. As a result, temperature on the moon is very high, ranging from very hot to very cold. Depending on where it faces the sun, when sunlight hits the moon's surface, the temperature reaches up to approximately 100 degrees Celsius, the boiling point of the water. On the dark side of the moon, it gets very cold, minus 173 degrees Celsius approximately. Sound cannot be heard on the moon because there is no air through which sound can travel. So it is a silent satellite. Our Earth attracts every object and heavenly bodies with a gravitational force. Similarly, the moon also attracts every object towards itself, but with weak force because its gravitational force is 1/6 of that on the Earth. This is why your weight will be lesser on the moon. If your weight is on the Earth is 30 Newton, it will be 5 Newton on the moon. So, you watched this video, you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So if you will subscribe my channel, then first notification will come on your mobile. So watch the video till end. So enjoy this video and be safe, be at your home. So तब तक के लिए bye bye, stay safe, stay home.